Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable glide typing on a Samsung device. So first of all, what you have to do is open your Google Play Store and you have to download an application called Microsoft SwiftKey AI Keyboard. It's a really good keyboard and has lots of good rating and lots of downloads, or alternatively you can also download Google Keyboard, or Gboard it is called. But I will not recommend you because of the controversy that Google steals our data. And this Swift keyboard is from Microsoft. As you can see, Microsoft SwiftKey AI Keyboard, and they are also not innocent as well. So you can search for any other gliding keyboard on Google Play Store. There are a bunch of thousands of different applications, and this is the beauty of Android. In this video, I'm gonna experiment on Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, and after installing that, I will uninstall because I do not trust it at all. So I will click on Open. So let's set up SwiftKey, and then click on Go to Settings, and then turn on the Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Click on OK, select SwiftKey again, and swipe down and select Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard again. And now you're done. Try your keyboard, click on Allow, and this is your new keyboard on your Samsung device. Now you can type anything with the help of swiping. For instance, how are you? Don't forget to like and subscribe. There are some inconsistencies. All you have to do is select that word, and in the suggestions you will find the right keyword. And that's simply how you can enable glide typing on Samsung. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.